Hi, my name's Jordan. I am a lighting designer here at Christie's Lighting Gallery.
Winter is when lighting mistakes really show up, and there are three we see all the time. The first is relying on one overhead light to do everything. In winter, that single fixture creates harsh shadows and leaves parts of the room feeling flat or dark. The second mistake is using bulbs that are too cool. Cooler light can feel fine in summer, but in winter, it often makes spaces feel cold and uninviting, especially in living rooms and bedrooms. And the third mistake is skipping lamps altogether. Table lamps and floor lamps add warmth at eye level, which makes a space feel more comfortable and lived in during the darker months. The good news is these are easy fixes when you know what to look for. A few thoughtful changes can make your home feel brighter, warmer, and more comfortable all winter long. If your home feels a little off this winter, it may be time to take a closer look at your lighting. That's where our free lighting consultation can really help, so you're not guessing. Book your free lighting consultation at christieslighting.com or shop online today. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert lighting tips and inspiration. Your next beautifully lit space starts here.